love you madly from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you so much for joining us for the Music Factory's 2022 Winter Recital. I'm so excited about all the amazing videos that everybody submitted. I've seen most of them now. We've been editing them, and I just can't wait to watch them again. I can't wait to share all the amazing music that we've created together this last couple months. It's been an amazing month for us here at the Music Factory. They featured us and did an article on us in Earshot Jazz Magazine. It's an amazing article, and I really hope all the parents can go find some time to read it. And without further ado, welcome to the 2022 Music Factory Winter Recital online, and hopefully we'll be in person soon.